Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 15 Pro Max and let me show you how to add weather wallpaper here. So at first open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, click on add new wallpaper and select from weather wallpapers. Let me choose, for example, this one. Obviously you can change the style here, just pick the preferred one. And then you can also manage widgets and fonts if you want to smoothly by tapping. And then click on add. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only or for both as a wallpaper pair. And this is it. As you can see from now on, it is applied for both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.